Welcome to the Yummy Vibes. Today we are making mini papad chaat bowls, crispy little bowls packed with flavor and freshness. We've got all our ingredients chopped and ready: lettuce, pomegranate, yellow bell pepper, cucumber, onions, coriander, grapes, green chili, tomato, red bell pepper and lemon. We start by heating a tawa, adding a little bit of oil or butter and crisping up the papad till it's just right. While it is still warm, we gently mold it into a bowl shape using a wooden press. And just like that, we have our edible papad bowls ready. Repeat the process for each bowl. Now mixing into a bowl gets cucumber, onion, lettuce, pomegranate, tomatoes, green chili, coriander, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, grapes. We season it with chaat masala, black pepper, regular salt and a pinch of pink salt. To give it a twist of taste, we add a bit of sweet chili hot sauce, mustard sauce and a squeeze of fresh lemon. Give it all a good mix and spoon this colorful tangy mixture into the papad bowls. And there you have it. Crunchy, tangy, spicy mini papad chaat bowls, perfect for a fun snack or a party starter. If you enjoyed this recipe, do give it a like, drop a comment and share it with someone who'd love it too.